بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello guys, today we are discussing about the power meter, and here you can see this is our energy meter. So we can use for the voltage like 3-phase voltage, okay, like 389 showing. So each phase like V1, V2, V3 line is showing. Now this is single phase like 225 single phase voltage. Now and V2 is 225 same. Now we'll check V3 is same also 225. So the voltage is okay. So now you can set from here and see the panel, and we are using KDX-A. So this KDX meter, you can see now everything. For example, we are checking first for the current. So we need to fix the current according to your CT current transformer. So we will check now here. Our current transformer rating is if for example 1500, so we need to put 1500. If like 1000, we need to put 1500. So we need to put 1000. It's opposite, so it's just okay. Just look at 1500 ampere. So we need to set 1500 ampere. Now you can see. So just push set and power this as. So you can see 1600. It's up to you what is your rating according to your current transformer. So you can put the value that one, but we have 1500, so we need to put 1500. It will give you the correct value of the energy. So now look at like ampere 1 single phase like 569 ampere, A2 like single line, and then third line, so almost same. And now all together, so it will showing 0 error, so 1. So now we are coming to the next. Okay, now this is a watt. So now it's just reset. So now 0.86. okay, power factor 0.86, and this reactive power, current power, and power frequency kilowatt showing like 0025 kilowatt. Okay, and now it will show watt. So we need to push from this Fs. Okay, again it's showing watt. Now again power factor watt, and now we are coming to our energy used by our plant or by residential anyone. So it's showing like kilowatt hour. Okay, like 46 kilowatt hour is running now, still is going on. So you can change from here from the meter. There is a set button. You want to do set, up cursor, down cursor. You need to change anything, you can from the setting you can do up in the above sections. Okay, I will give you the detailed diagram here. See, look at the installation connection point. So see this power supply from top to here, you can see the number is 1007, 1008. Okay, we gave the tag number. So this with the connected with the 4 ampere fuse. Okay, from supply. So 1001, 1002, 1003, 4, 5, 6. So this all connection you need to do with the CT current transformer. Like 2 is here. So 1001, 1002 connected to this CT current transformer, and 1003, 1004 to connect it to the other current transformer like other line. Okay, we have 3 lines, power supply line. Okay, the other one is 1005, 1006 is here connected. So you already see where we connected to the energy meter. Okay, so 3 current transformer we need to connect like this. This is look a cable route is connected here to the energy meter, and there is already specified everything where we need to connect. We have the manual for this one. We need to connect like 1006, 1000, 1009, 1010, 11, 12. Okay, this is the cable route. C, we need to connect here with the fuses 1009, 1010, 1011, 12. So we need to connect with the 4 ampere CT coils, and from the above this all connected to the main breaker. You can see here. Okay, this is a 4 ampere fuses we connected here for the protection purpose. okay, and this is the lights. See, 1008, 1008, 1008. We make just a loop, and this 3 connections and 2 connection from here, from top and from the down, because the lead shorts. So this all wire is going to from this cable route here, okay, and so also connected, and the above C, this one here connected with the air circuit breaker, is MCCB mounted case circuit breaker. Okay, so this is our simple diagram, simple design, and these are 3 wires, 3 lines and 1 neutral to the MCCB breakers. Okay. So everything is here, everything is normal. You can see now the energy meter is running, is working in normal condition, and you can see this red color light indicator showing that is working. You can see of 1 circuit, and like a trip, if anything happen, yellow light will indicate. So now just look at this. Now look at the calculation, how you will calculate your energy per month, per week. It's up to you, okay, and per day. So my energy like per day and per month, so I want to discuss here how to calculate energy from your meter. So total energy consumed you want per month, okay, is equal to last reading in a month, end of the month, minus first reading starting of the month. Okay, so this is our last reading, 00 like 18673 minus 00. We take this photo from our MCC energy meter. So this is the last reading, this is the first reading, like a first date of the month, this is the last date of the month. So we will minus this one, it will come like 5847 watt per day, but we need in kilowatt, so we put here, so 5.87847 kilowatt. So this is per day. Now we need like a per month, so like per month, for example, our reading become now here is 00, but once it increase, it will reach like 1345828 watt minus 114962 watt. So it will come like 196196. So I will put points like 196.196 kilowatt. So this is per month consumption of our load. So you will calculate your load like this. So I hope you people like my video, and you know now how to calculate your reading. So thank you so much for watching, and kindly subscribe if you like video and share with your friends. Thank you.